It is important to determine the fixture hanging height before cutting the wire. Typical fixture hanging height is 66 inches from the bottom of the fixture to the floor and 36 inches from the fixture to the tabletop. For the chain fixture assembly, you will be using the finial nut, the chain finial with loop, and the quick link. If you haven't already done so, remove the original canopy and hardware from the light fixture. After determining your desired fixture height, leave about 6 inches additional wire length for connection to the smart controller. Place the finial nut from the kit down the chain followed by the canopy with the decorative side facing down. Route the wire through the chain finial loop, but do not attach it to the chain until the last step. This will help avoid twisting of wires. Remove one of the screws on the wire cover and slide the cover to the side to expose the wiring terminals. Route the wire into the U-shaped channel of the threaded stem on the controller. Attach the chain finial to the threaded stem and tighten. Do not over-tighten. Cut the remaining wire if needed while leaving enough wire length to insert into the terminals. Strip the edge of each wire to 3/16 inches. Twist the copper wire to help prevent any loose strands. Insert the neutral wire into the terminal marked N. Neutral is white color or wire without writing and with a rough edge. Insert the live wire into the terminal marked L. L is black color or wire with writing and with a smooth edge. Insert the ground wire into the terminal marked G. Ground is usually bare copper or green color. Some fixtures may not be supplied with a ground wire. Tighten the screws to ensure that the wires are firmly secured and cannot be pulled out. When finished, secure the wire cover back into place. Attach the quick link to the end of the chain and hook it onto the chain finial loop. Twist to tighten. Adjust the wire inside of the chain as needed. Remove any excess chain links if needed. You are now ready to install your light fixture by plugging it into the SkyOutlet. To install, hold the fixture and press the push button on the side of the controller. Keep the button pressed in until inserted into the outlet. Once fully inserted, let go of the push button and push up on the controller to lock it in. You should hear a clicking sound. Slide the lighting base canopy up to the ceiling, placing the antenna through the small hole. Secure with the finial nut. The SkyPlug has 2 sets of locking bearings to support the light fixture. The first set mechanically secures the SkyPlug to the SkyOutlet. Once the SkyPlug is fully inserted, the second set locks into place and allows for both electrical contact and mechanical support. If the controller drops down, the fixture is not fully engaged. Repeat the process if needed. Press the controller button. Once inserted, let go, and push up towards the ceiling until you hear a click. To remove the fixture, press the push button on the side of the smart controller to release the fixture. Lastly, if desired, use the center cap to cover and protect the SkyOutlet while painting, cleaning, or maintenance. To install, align the 2 slots on the cover plate and turn to secure. You have successfully installed your SkyPlug Smart device. Now it is time to connect your device to your phone. The smart lighting base is compatible with all standard single-pole and 3-way switches. It is not compatible with the dimmer switch. Dimmer switches need to be replaced with a standard single-pole on-off switch. The total wattage load on the smart lighting base cannot exceed 240 watts incandescent and 120 watts LED. To calculate, simply add the wattage of all the bulbs that will be in your light fixture. To reduce the wattage, convert the bulbs to dimmable LED or lower wattage bulbs.